Hi everyone, welcome to Homebody. I am Felicia, your host for today's video. So in this video, I'm playing with a pop of color. Now this aqua color used to be one of my go-to colors for the summer. I usually would do like that coastal, give those coastal vibes, but I haven't quite pulled out my coastal decor items yet. I'm gonna call this one of my tropical vibes settings, since I have some little palm trees and flamingos out. Not quite coastal quite yet. And I'm going to be honest with you guys, I was a little nervous about putting some color in with this black, because if you've been following me over the years, you know this black wall is totally something different for me. And then when I originally put the black wall up, I went with cream and gold and black. And of course, silver is my go-to color. I'm never going to stop using silver, so I actually have some splashes of silver in here and I am loving it. So let's start with the wall, just in case there's someone new on that's not familiar with the wall. So my wall panels are from this company called Ozark Ozark, and I have 14 panels up on my wall. And basically, they're just drilled screws, or they're on the wall by screws. I didn't use any glue or anything like that, because I know me, eventually I'm going to take this down. I'm not even sure if I'm going to have it up for the holidays. I don't know if it's going to interfere with my red, because I'm definitely going traditional for the holidays. So Ozark is where the wall panels are from. I pulled out my old Z Gallery sconces, and these are on sale right now at Z Gallery. They have this longer size, then they also have a smaller size. And yeah, the smaller size I think is like 29 or 25, and the bigger one is like 39 or 40 right now. Then I also have a coupon code where you can get additional off on anything that you purchase from Z Gallery. My wall art is also from Z Gallery, and it's also on sale. Beautiful, unique piece. Now, if you're a DIYer, you probably can DIY this, because it has the framing around the canvas, and then this is like fabric. It's like fabric that they plastered together or whatever. Artists, very talented, yes, to do a piece like that. My couch is a TOV piece. You can get it from Wayfair, you can get it from Amazon, you can get it from TOV. And so I'll place a link down to it. All my pillows are from Z Gallery. I've had these pillows for several umpteen years, and don't quote me, but I think these pillows are 50% off. I think they're ranging like $40 right now, which is a steal for these pillows. And I think these Mongolian pillows are also on sale. I'll link them in the description box. This pillow here is a recent pillow, and it's kind of steep, but I love it. And I think it was like $100 for this pillow, but this is a perfect pillow for me, and I wish I would have got two, because they'll be perfect for the holidays. So now let's move on to the coffee table. Coffee table TOV piece as well. These little vases right here, these came from Home Goods, and but I've had them for several years. And then I have one of these little Z Gallery picks. I've had this for several years, that I put in here just to give me a little bit more of the shininess. I love everything shiny. My accent chairs are from Wayfair, and I think they're on sale right now. I will place them down as well. Now my couch and my love seat, these are actually low profile pieces, meaning they sit low on the floor, and I actually changed out the legs in them. If you notice here, you can see that's like a 4-inch leg there. I'm not sure if you can see the leg on this chair here, but there's an acrylic leg under there too. It's like a ball wheel, or something, a ball leg, a circle ball. That's probably like 1.5, maybe 2 inches. And I know that one is 4 inches. So if you're not into the low profile furniture, you may not want to get these, because they sit pretty low. However, you can always add some higher legs to them as I did. Let's see here. That's all over there. Now, if you've been following me, you know I love this mirror. I took this mirror out of here a few years ago and put it in my family room, and I pulled it back to give me a more pop of the glam silver in here. The lamp over here, the floor lamp, is a Z Gallery lamp, and I think it's also on sale, another steep piece. And these are from Ross or Home Goods, and I've had them for a couple of years. This accent chair is from Z Gallery. The area rug is from Wayfair, and it's washable. As a matter of fact, I washed the runners the other day because, you know, it's been raining, and as people come in and out of your house, they track mud in there. And somebody was making fun of me the other day, I think on Facebook. They said I just pieced my area rugs together, and I did. I sure did, because I wanted one to come from my front of my door all the way here to my kitchen area. So, and it didn't come that long. It only came in 6 feet. So I ordered one and realized how much I like it, and I ended up getting another one. And so, yes, I do. I did piece it together. And so this little vase here is also from Z Gallery, and these are also from Z Gallery. I think you may be able to get your hands on these now. I'm so excited that I'm able to share coupon codes and links with you guys from Z Gallery, because we've never been able to do that in the past. So wall art is from At Home. At one point I was able to link At Home items, but they took our commission away. I don't know what happened. Maybe they're going to start their own affiliate program. I have no idea. But if I can link it, I will. Then I have these Miami vases. These are super, super cute. Timeless and elegant pieces. You can get this in the white, the silver, and the gold. The gold is gorgeous. I'm loving the silver. I hate that I didn't get my hands on the white ones, but because I think they only have just this tall one left in the white one. My pineapple candle holders are from Amazon. And I kind of like them and I kind of don't like them. Let me show you why I don't like them. I don't like them because when you turn them on, is any battery? It's not even any battery in here. Let me try this one. When you turn them on, look, I don't like the fact that the color changes different colors. Yeah, I really don't like that. I just like the actual clear, if it just was just clear with glitter. Yeah, so that's why I don't have that on. And my entryway table is also from Wayfair, but I always say this because I like to be honest with my subscribers and my followers. This entryway table is not high quality, but it's beautiful. And when I say not high quality, meaning it's like that particle board like material. And yeah, and then this is a little flimsy here. So if you're looking for something high quality that's going to last you a long time, you may not want to purchase this. But if you're looking for something to get you by until you find something that you really want, then this will be it. And I just have this sitting over here in the corner. It's out of place because I didn't want to put it out in my shed. So I have this vase here you've probably seen before from Z Gallery, and this end table right here, which is a match to my coffee table. And I get a lot of questions about this little pieces right here. These are from Ross. It's 1, 2, 3, 4 plaques. And I had them for a couple of years, so you may not be able to get your hands on them. Then I have some little white sticks stuck in this vase. And this vase here is actually from Z Gallery. This lamp on this side, also from Z Gallery. My side table is from Homary. And these drapes, I think I was about to talk about these drapes and forgot. These drapes, normally I get my drapes from Amazon, but a company called IXA gifted me these over on Instagram. I love them. They're supposed to be some type of memory, have some type of memory. to where they go right back into the place in the shape of what you want them to be in. But I haven't tried that out. But I didn't get my typical length. Usually I get my length in 108. But I wanted to try something different this time. I went with the 102 inches to get them barely to be touching the floor. Well, obviously, my drapes may be kind of crooked because over here, they're barely touching the floor here, and over there in the corner. But over here, it's actually touching the floor. So, yeah, it must be crooked. But it's going to stay crooked because if it's crooked, it's been crooked since I hung the curtains up there, right? So, yes. So, this is what I have going on currently. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I'm doing some different stuff in my family room. It's going to be totally different. I have the same furniture, but I'm doing some more of gold in there. I pretty much moved the gold out of here and put it in my family room. So I'll come back in another video and show you all what I've done to the family room for summer, because I don't change that room around too much because we're always in there, but we're not in here. This is my favorite room in my home. And guess what? I have some stuff going on in my master bedroom too. I put in a TV fireplace wall. I painted my doors black. I cannot wait to share that space with you all, but I'm waiting to at least get halfway finished, and then I'll come in and show y'all what I've done to that space. So I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.